Hi, this is DID. The Tiger tank and the Panther tank have some similarities in appearance, but their combat purposes are quite different. The Tiger tank was primarily designed as a heavy breakthrough vehicle for elite forces, with the goal of breaking through enemy lines. The Panther tank, on the other hand, excels at maneuvering in the gaps of the front lines, using flexible tactics to attack the enemy's flanks or rear. DID gladly brings you the 1/12 scale Panther tank diorama and Tiger II tank diorama. Let's take a look how to assemble them. Come and take the 1/12 scale Panther tank diorama and the Tiger II tank diorama to enlarge your German combat scenes.